Right guys, in this video I will talk about Garmin Instant, that is a sport watch. So hey guys, I'm Ikhtier Ahmed and you are watching ARZONE. So if you don't subscribe this channel and hit the notification icon so that you can find this kinds of tech news at first. So without wasting time, let's begin. Okay guys, Garmin Instant, that is actually a good quality sport watch, so you can choose this. But in this video I will talk about these Garmin Instant specifications, channel specifications. So its lens material is chemically strength glass, her bezel material is fiber reinforced polymer, and its strap material is silicone, and its physical size is 45 into 45 into 15.3 mm. Its display size is custom to window design 0.9 inches into 0.9 inches, and its display resolution is 128 into 128 pixels. Its display type is monochrome, sunlight visible, transflective, memory in pixel, and its weight is 52 gram. Battery life is smartwatch mode is up to 14 days, GPS mode is up to 16 hours, ultra track mode is up to 40 hours, water rating is 10 atm, and memory or history is 16 MB. So that is the video. Thanks for watching. If you don't subscribe this channel. So see you in the next video.